Hello. In this video, you'll learn how to test your eLearning SCORM content online. First, ensure your course file is published in LMScom 1.2, SCORM 2004, AICC, or xAPI format. The file should be in a zip format. Next, log in to your SCORM Cloud account with your credentials. Navigate to Add Content and select Import a SCORM Package. Click Browse, choose your course file from your PC, and ensure it's in zip format. Then click Import Course. Once the upload is complete, select your content and click Launch. If your course runs smoothly, great job. If there are issues, troubleshoot and fix them. And there you have it. You've successfully tested your eLearning SCORM content online. Thank you for watching.